때는 Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? Black.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
You don't get on the table.
꽁꽁 얼어붙은 한강 위로 고양이가 걸어다닙니다.
Anjay, kucingnya masuk kandang burung. Si Andri.
Do you have anything in your bag, ma'am? No. Any illegal contraband? No, let me see.
Man, shut your...
You are nice, you are pretty, you are smart, you are my friend.
你好，How are you 啊？What are you doing？
And then in 2007, he came to my office as a consultant, and I said to myself, sorry, I like this gentleman. No, sorry, didn't he?
Joey said I needed to relax, so he gave me an antihistamine.
No puede, pues mira, con cerveza en la mano y todo. No,
¿Qué fue? ¿Qué fue? ¿Tú dices que?
I'm closing the door. Here it goes, closing. Get down.
Dai, su. Saluta.
We got the real mechanic at work now. How's that exhaust looking, big guy? All right, good deal.
I'll give you my address.
I swear to God, I'm gonna get rid of every one of you. This is pathetic. No, this isn't what a screen is for.
Где кот?
Carrie.
You are so cute. You are so. What the you want?
Quiero una estufa, una tele, una lavadora, una bocina, una switch.
I keep a picture in my wallet like you.
Aww. Oh my God. Why can't you be that cute? Oh, you.
Вы когда-нибудь мечтали стать лучшей версией себя? Моложе, красивее.
Muse.
Man, Lil Bro just had his real first meal and he already a top contender of my 600-pound life. Hey, when your legs don't work like they used to.
You're gonna hurt yourself.
I'd give my right hemisphere for a few hours of sleep.
This ain't. This. Be nice. I'm finding it. It take you that long to find it? It does.
She wants to kill the bad guys.
No new friends, am I right? Sorry, little Get
You're a little too
Look
young
at her.
and completely creepy. Like, what did you even get into my room? I'm positive that door was locked.
연다.
Oh my goodness! Why he kind of look like? Wait.
Don't. No, he does not.
Why
Don't
he
do
kinda,
that.
Why he?
Don't.
Yo, why he
He
kinda,
does not.
Yo, why he kind of look like?
Filha, não é o outro, é você, olha lá, ó. Meu Deus. É tu, Doris.
See, that's the problem right there. What is that? The turbinator. See, the turbinator hooked up to the motor. The motor ain't pushing enough pressure out for the gas pedal. The gas pedal got a lot of dirt.
Do you guys ever... Sorry, my cat.
And I appreciate what you're doing for him, but he cannot become a constant addition to every time I want to see you.
Jealousy doesn't.
You guys look like you're gonna conquer the planet.
What's going on?
You're all wet. Watch this. I literally have like nothing in my hand.
Visiting with Thunder. Are you glad I'm here? He may or may not be glad I'm here.
Bro, are you fucking serious? You comfy in there, bud?